Hi there, I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ. Today I'm going to show you how to embroider the Ermine star stitch, or sometimes called just the star stitch. I like to think of this one as a variation on the straight stitch because it's 3 straight stitches that we'll be using to create our star. We start by coming up at the top of our star and we make the straight line down the center, like so. Next, we come up on one side of our star and we make the crossed part that goes over to the other side, like so. Then we do the same on the other side. So you come up in this corner here and again go across to the other side. And ta-da! That's our Ermine star.